The nuclear revolution is a revolution that operates in many different registers simultaneously. One way to talk about it is that the advent of the atomic bomb and the Manhattan Project, 1945, starts what we call big science. Big collaborative science across many disciplines, engineering, physics, chemistry, and so on, and creates the model for a certain kind of science that continues through the 20th century and to this day. But connected to it are several other revolutions that are equally important and less well known. One would be that the Manhattan Project, which begins in complete and total secrecy, also creates the secret state in the United States and consolidates an idea of a secret government operating inside a democratic state form. That also continues to this day and has had many effects on American society, in particular around the issue of national security. All sorts of cutouts between the state officials and citizens about the nature of everyday life, the nature of security, and so on. So another part of the nuclear revolution would be the ecological effects of the Manhattan Project and the nuclear project that followed, with large-scale atmospheric testing in the United States and in the Pacific, which fundamentally changed the global ecology. It distributed nuclear elements throughout the biosphere, created a marker that now the geological sciences are considering as perhaps one basis for declaring the Anthropocene. That is, human impacts on the planet Earth as a new geological period. So, from this point of view, the nuclear revolution is simultaneously about knowledge. It's about the production of a new kind of state grounded in nuclear threat and secrecy. It's also a fundamental change in the nature of ecological relations on this planet. All three of these revolutions are continuing to this day and are transforming the ways in which we're living on the planet in substantial and serious ways. So it's important to understand nuclear politics because they are one way to understand how it is that people have engineered life on the planet, have organized themselves socially, the ways in which forms of injury have been crafted and are playing out in ways that are both little understood and are experienced viscerally by people in specific ways and ecologies in specific ways. So it becomes a lens for understanding how modernity itself is put together.